Hi, this is Chris Terrell. Today I'm going to be doing a video on understanding how the sheets work. So what we're going to do is I've actually got them side by side. We're going to sub sheet macro. This is basically, we're going to kind of go through what a sheet does. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change that sheet's name. So we're going to go, there's two ways to do it. So we're going to go, I'm going to show you both ways. Sheets, there's actually more than one, but name one. I'm going to show you another way. Sheets, notice it says index. Name 2. And we're actually going to do the code name. Okay. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to hit F8, which is going to walk us through this. So this is going to be, it's going to call it, we've got it named as name 1. So if I hit F8, notice it changed it to name 1. Also changed it right there, which is basically the name of that sheet. Now this is the same thing, it's going to be the first sheet that's on the page. So when I hit that, it's going to change it to name 2. This is actually using the code name. That's typically how I code, mainly because then the end user can change that sheet name to whatever they want. It doesn't mess up the code. Of course, it's sheet 1, not sheet. And that's just a quick little module. Let's go ahead and see what else we can do. So what I'm going to do, sheet 1 dot, notice it'll actually give us all these different information. So let's go ahead and let's do visible equals, notice that it drops down. So what we want to do is we want to make it hidden. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. Now we're going to go ahead and hit F8. Notice that our names change. Actually, that one now doesn't work because it's not named. It's now named sheet 3. Now this will work because it is still indexed, it's still the first one there. That's going to work. Now we're going to make it hidden. Notice it no longer is there. Okay. Now if I come over here and I right click, I click on hide, notice that it's there. Now I'm going to show you another trick here. This is sheet 1 dot visible equals Excel very hidden. So we're going to hit F8. It's going to give us an error right there as well because we've changed the name. I'm going to just drag this down and skip that whole line. We're going to name it 2-3. We're going to hide it, then we're going to make it very hidden. Now notice it's still here, it's still named sheet 3, but if we right click and go unhide, the front end of Excel does not know that that exists. You'd actually have to come into the back end. Now what we're going to do is instead of, we're going to make that equals visible, we're going to put a comment that section out. We're going to comment that section out because it's not helping. Notice it's back and it's visible. We just have to move over to see it. So notice it's name 3. It's still there. That's a quick tutorial on sheets. There's a lot of other things that you can do. Those are going to be the most common. When sheets end up getting really powerful is when you tie them to the cells or the ranges. The other thing that I should show you is if you want to switch sheets, you can go sheet sheet 1, let's do sheet 2 dot select. That's probably another one that's used very frequently. So that will actually select the different sheets. So notice we're on name 3, which is our sheet 1 up here. We're actually going to go to sheet 2 and notice that it selects it right on over. So that's a quick tutorial on the sheet object within Visual Basic Excel. Hopefully that helped. Hopefully that was helpful and that you enjoyed. Thanks for your time.